This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider, and today we are working on the location of the compressor sensors of 2018 Toyota Avalon. It have a 2GR engine, which some of the new models have Sienna, Camry, and Highlanders, and other models which use 2GR FE engine. And I have to go for AC compressor switches, which is normally issue with it. So let me try to focus it. That's basically the main. Under this hose there's a sensor which camera cannot pick it, but I can. So that is on the compressor, which is called control valve on it. And there's another sensor which is over here, uh, that is, if I'm able to see it with the camera eye. So that is basically, I cannot catch it, but that is over here where my finger is. Exactly, this is the sensor. Okay, that's not focusing because of this. So this is the sensor which is normally having issue. This one, that is basically, you don't have to remove the freon or anything, just there's a clip on it, the C clip over here, and you have to remove it, take it off that clip. Let me try to focus on it. So that clip, it's a C clip. So over here, if you see it, there's not that much space. So maybe some best way is to remove this fan shroud, and you have either easy access or whatever it suits you. That's it will came out, and that's a plug-in sensor. They have a compressor clutch as well on this model, and those symptoms are, I think, 1459 or 69 code, which is that sensor that makes basically compressor running off and on by its own. And sometimes it's perfectly fine cooling, sometimes it's not. So particular on this model, AC compressors have this sensor issue. So make sure that first you change that sensor, and if it's still making issue on and off, then the first sensor what I show you on the other side, that is control valve, and this is called airflow sensor something, but that's basically aftermarket names. So Toyota recommend to change complete compressor, but aftermarket you can change this sensor and the lower sensor, which is straight. They have a 90-degree as well, but on this particular model it's a straight one. So that is the for that we have to dismantle the vacuum the freon and dismantle it, because we don't have enough space. Or if we have enough space, then we can change it on the car. But technically you have to remove the compressor due to the space. If you make it enough space, take it out the radiator, which when you are doing a compressor job or swapping the job, you have to do it something to remove it, or go from the bottom. But bottom there's a depend on the car, but on particular this Toyota Avalon, they have a subframe, so we don't have any excess, but we can remove the radiator and radiator shroud. Then we have enough space, and we can pull this shield, and they have a top bar over here, or where this locks are. We can open it from here bolts, and then we can move it out. And that's how you replace this radiator, condenser, or anything you want. But in our cases we have to remove only, depend again what we require, but we need to remove the radiator to go access over there and remove the compressor. Thank you for watching. This is short video. Hopefully it will help you out and find out how to solve these issues. Thanks, and please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.